My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying, they take me away. My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying.
Yo, what's cracking YouTube? It's me, your host, Toon, aka your favorite sneakerhead. Once again, bringing another sneaker pickup / sneaker review. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below, and it'll be right next to me. I'm sitting at, usually I record like facing that way, so I always say it'd be right next to me right there. So I don't know if it's still gonna be this side or this side because I changed my body angle. So, but all that information, my social media will be up there next to me. Whatever, it's probably still up there. Probably just went down. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. All right, so I kind of went crazy today, and I told myself I was not. I can't stand when I tell myself I'm not gonna do something, and just like that I do it. I told myself, listen, this is y'all see the thumbnail, y'all see the title. This is a five sneaker pickup day. Like this is insane. This is insane for me. I kind of went crazy. So first of all, shout out to Foot Locker. Shout out to Foot Locker. All you need. So look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Crazy. This might be the thumbnail right here. Hold up. This might be the. I want to get the other bag in there though, like, so you can see all the bags. Yeah, I don't know. That might be the thumbnail. I don't know. But yeah, bro. Let's get to it. Actually, 3 of these shoes I've already done a review on, so I'm not gonna go into details about that. And let's start off with All right, so all of these are Kobe's. RIP to Black Mamba, So this is the first pair. And remember, if you looked at the video I did of the double, the home and away ones, I put in order. I set in order which ones that I like. So we're gonna I'll get to that later. But not gonna do no information about these because I'm not gonna read how I use it. This is a straight video. I usually add information. I will do like the little shoulder shoe, but it won't be like, I don't know how I'm gonna do it. I don't know. I'll figure out how I'm gonna do it. But it won't be no information. We're not gonna do all that because they already out. These all dropped today. They was actually a lot easier than I expected to get this. So this is the Midnight Navy ones, size 9. I already did a review for this. I did an early review for this. That'll be up there, right there, or right there, something like that. But it'll be up there right now. Go check out that review for the Kobe 8 Protro Midnight Navy. Boom, they got that right there. Not gonna go into detail about this shoe because, like I said, I already did a review for that. For this. All right, so that's 1. These are. These are the Hollywood Nights. I think they call Hollywood Drink, but they're basically the away shoes. So. Go check that out right there. Yeah, I did a review for this. And hold up, matter of fact. Let's see if you see it. Hold up. 1 second. Where's the other one? Hold up. Wait a minute. All right, here we go. Another pair. These are the white ones. These are the home ones. And so the home and aways, I did a review. This was my last review. So go check out that review. I'll leave it up there, right there. So yeah, boom, got these right there. So these was the 3 Kobe's that I did a review on. I already did a review on all 3 of these. Go check out those links right there. So these next 2 are, I didn't even expect I was gonna get these, especially one of these pairs. So I'm gonna say that one for last. These are the Kobe 8 Protro Size 9. I'm gonna read this one. This is Wolf Gray, white Wolf Gray. Retail price I think it was 180, 190. I forgot what it was. But yeah, these are the gray ones that I was like, I didn't need them. I didn't need them. First of all, I don't need none of these shoes, but I don't need them, but they was available. And that's hard for me to turn down things that's available. Like, listen, if you really do the math on this stuff, because like plus tax, I didn't go to like 197. Let's just say 200. Let's just go to 200. But I think it was like 197. But again, we said 200. So far, this is 4 shoes. So that's 2, 4, 6, 8. It's one more pair. That's $1,000 in shoes already. Like, this is $800 right here. Like, if you're really doing the math. And so like that's crazy. But these are the Wolf Grays. I'll let y'all see these. I don't got no reviews on these at all. But just an all gray and white shoe. Very clean. Very clean. Very clean. I'm not mad at it, but it's just something I really didn't need. You feel me? I got a Kobe signature right there. You know, the gray and white is clean though. Like it's a clean shoe. Like it's just like, sorry if my nails kind of dirty, but it's a clean shoe. I'm not mad at it. I'm just not mad at it. It just wasn't a shoe that I needed. And somebody was in my comments like, oh, I forgot his exact words, but if you wear Hooper shoes as casual, you're weird. He said something crazy like that. And bro, and my exact response to him was, I can't say the exact thing because I don't want YouTube to monetize my video. You know, I don't want to get in trouble. But I basically said, if you worry about what another man's putting on his feet, you're kind of funny yourself. You get it? So y'all can read between the lines. Like, it's okay to admire somebody. Be like, yo, I like that. You checking out dude's feet or whatever like that. Pause. No Diddy. That's okay. But if you selling... But if everybody has an opinion. Everybody's entitled to an opinion. But if you saying, oh, you're not supposed to wear hooping shoes as casual wear, bro, who are you? Wear what you want, how you want it. I wear, depending on the shoe. Now, Kobe's is kind of hard because they low top and they look like basketball shoes. I wear LeBron. I have a bunch of LeBrons that I wear as casuals. I'm not gonna lie. And they're basketball shoes. I wear a lot of my LeBrons as casual shoes. And let's not forget, Jordans are basketball shoes. Just because people don't hoop in them like that, they was made and intended to be basketball shoes, made by a basketball player who wore these same silhouettes in a basketball game. So that whole little, oh, you can't wear hooping shoes as casual wear, you're doing it every day. If you wear Space Jams, you wear Concords, you wear Breads, you're wearing a hooping shoe because Jordan hooped in them. You feel me? Like, so stop. Just stop. Stop worrying about what other people doing. Sorry I went on that little mini rant, but it bothers me that people are so concerned with they're so concerned with what others do with their time and their space. It's just weird. Anyway, all right. Last but not least, last shoe, black box. They gotta do something different with these Kobe boxes though. Size 9, University red, white. These was the ones that I wanted. Woo! These are fire. These are fire. Like these are my favorite ones. These are my favorite ones. Like off top, these are my favorite ones. Like it does not get any better than these. Like. So if I had to put them in order, 1, 2, 3. You know what? Yeah, I'm put that. 4 and 5. Maybe this is gonna be the thumbnail. Look at that. Yeah, that probably do that. Like that probably be the thumbnail right there. Boom. All right. Anyway, but yeah, these are fire though. These are fire, bro. These are fire. I like these. I like these a lot. These are my favorite ones by far. And this is number 2, but number 1 and 2 is not even close. Like even though this is number 2, it's a far number 2. Like 1, and then 2's down here, like that. Like all the way over here. That is a far 2. I mean, nothing wrong with the shoe. I'm just saying. I did not think I was gonna be able to get all of them. I knew for a fact I was getting these 3. My local Foot Locker where I went, they did not have these in men's pairs. They only had grade school pair. So, like I said, this is number 5 on my list. So I wasn't even really worried about this. But then I went to another Foot Locker and they had them both. And I was like, oh, I saw them both on display. And I was like, oh, there's reservation only. And he was like, no, they first come, first serve. And I was like, oh. And it was like 12 o'clock. So I was like, oh, these are not hyped. No one was worried about these. Because, you know, Kobe's a god. So, I mean, shouts out to Nike for putting out a bunch of shoes and a good majority of them so everybody can get them. Shouts out to Nike for that. I love that. I love that. I like that energy. I like that energy. So, y'all let me know in the comments below. Was you able to get any of these? 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pair, 4 pair, 5 pair, all 5? Like, let me know. I don't think nobody was out there trying to get all of them, but it is what it is. Like, and the crazy thing about it is I got rid of a bunch of Jordans last night. I got rid of about 26 pairs of shoes, and I was like, yo, I'm good. Like, I'm over the shoe shit. And look at this, $1,000 in one day. So it is what it is. So y'all, let's drop share. Follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. And as always, from me, your host, Toon, aka your favorite sneakerhead, represent Toon's Kicks and the whole Toon Squad. You know what to do. Try to get it up again. Pause. I said get it up again. Hold up. How did I do that the first time? I guess we're going to do it. Oh, that's okay. Hold on. Let's try to get the fingers right. We're going to do it like that. Y'all know what to do, man. Have a nice day.